Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn friends into followers on Facebook. If you want to turn friends into followers on Facebook, it's more about enabling the follow option than literally converting them one by one. Start by going to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, scroll down to Audience and Visibility. From there, go to Followers and Public Content. Make sure Who Can Follow Me is set to Friends or Public. This automatically adds a follow button to your profile for your friends. Next, consider your posts. If your default audience is public, your friends can see and interact with your content as followers. While you can force them to follow, you can encourage it, share posts that are engaging, short opinions, relatable stories, tips, reels, or even funny content, and mention something like, if you will like this, feel free to follow for more. Remember, friends who choose to follow will see your post without unfriending you, and this approach slowly shifts them from just friends to active followers over time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.